Melissa Ogilevitz with the Weingarten Real Estate Team, here at my newest listing in West Springfield, Massachusetts. It's 223 Greystone Ave, and I'll show you what it has to offer. This updated raised ranch offers 3 beds, 2 baths, and almost 1,400 square feet of living space. You'll instantly feel at home in the large eat-in kitchen with beautiful bay window that allows natural light to flood over the tile and wood floors throughout the open concept living space. The finished lower level offers even more space for gathering and entertaining in the family room. You'll find a tiered deck, pool, irrigation system, and 2-car garage. We hope you've enjoyed your private tour of 223 Greystone Ave here in West Springfield, Mass. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact me at the number below. Here at the Weingarten Team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you. Maybe I should change my arming now. Yes! I love it. Change it up a bit. Bingo! Monday morning.
Done.